Hi guys! Welcome sa isa na naman vlog. Oh my gosh. Yan. I-absent muna natin ang ating bangs, no? Dahil medyo mahaba na siya. Natatakpan ng aking mata. So yun, welcome sa vlog ng Articulate again. And week 4 na. Ang bilis ng panahon. Nung parang kailan lang, iniisip ko kung magjo-join ba ako, saan ko kukunin yung pera pan-join. But here I am. Close to the finish line ng workshop. But another journey will start after the workshop. And I'm excited. Yes! So, ayun. The week 4 started sa introduction ng host as usual. And, Diyos mio, they are so energetic. Imagine, well, kakagaling ko lang kasi ng work noon. So, dapat, or usually, wala akong energy. Pero, ikaw ba naman sa lubuin ng sprock and roll? Hindi ka mabahawa. So, yun. Grabe yung tandem nung Jumo tandem, which is Ma'am Judy and Sir Jimo. Grabe. Another memorable thing that happened nung introduction was the Jumustahan, which is their version of Zumustahan. Kamustahan sa Zoom if you don't get it or if you get it. Yeah. Yeah. Dahil ang aking mentors ay mga pushers, magagaling mag-push, no? Ng mga volonturo. Yes, yan. Yan magaling. Ang galing nila. Yes. Shout out to Ma'am Gracia and Sir JM. Yes. Nagtatawag sila ng names that starts with N and for some weird reason, naging N yung name ko. My name was Jonathan, but it became Nathan. Just para lang matawag ako. Ang galing. Mentors, salute. Pero yeah, basically, they called me and then, syempre, hindi natin ipapaya yung mentors. We answered their call. So, ayun. Napasample lang ay yung kuya, kumanta daw ako ng aking favorite song sa matandang boses. And, unfortunately, yung aking boses medyo paus dahil ako yung may ubo. Pero naitaguyod at naitawid naman natin. Ang kinanta ko nun, alam ko yung kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Pero yung intro lang, yung konting-konti lang. So, sample. Kung tayo ay matanda na. Ganun. Huwag na natin ituloy. Tatagal. Anyway, so, ayun. Nag-sample. Natawa sila, ma'am. Pwede ko daw maging kabanding yung naging boses ni Ma'am Judy na si Tatang Fred. Tapos, ayun. After that Zumustahan, it went by and nag-proceed na kay Ma'am Lynn. Ang lessons ni Ma'am Lynn is all about professionalism, the professionalism part ng pagiging voice actor. Paano ka mag-apply, paano gumawa ng voice reel demos, Tagalog, English, paano gumawa ng professional resume as a voice actor or artist, and the legalities na involved sa voice acting and voice artistry. Grabe, sumabog yung utak ko, lalo na nung sa legalities na. Like, ang hirap niyang i-explain in a short span of time, pero nagawang i-compress ni Ma'am Lynn nang hindi nagmumukhang minadali, in a sense. Yeah. And ang masasabi ko lang, sobrang chunky, sobrang malaman nung lessons. Sorry about the noise, may mga bata pa rin naglalaro kahit anong oras na. Ayan. But anyways, going back, napaka-chunky, napaka-malaman nung lesson ni Ma'am Lynn. Hindi mo siya kayang i-absorb lahat kahit i-try mo in one sitting. So, kailangan ko siyang i-watch. And, Which is very fortunate naman kasi meron kaming copies ng aming workshop na pwede naming balik-balikan when we need to. And which I'm very thankful for. Kasi nga, napaka busog namin dun sa lesson ni Ma'am Lid. Grabe, lalo na sa legalities. And we all know na legalities takes a lot of time to learn and master na rin. Pero, yeah, it doesn't hurt us to be well equipped on that end kasi maraming scammers, maraming mandarambong, oportunista, kahit anong larangan yan. Pero especially sa voice actor or voice artistry. So, yun. Ang ang ganda. Pero yun nga, I wanna be part of the CVAP family, so medyo malilesen yung worries ko when it comes to scams kasi covered ka ng CVAP family when it comes to, auditions, clients that you will have. They make sure na you're safe. Yung red flags and yellow flags, they make sure na na-wave yun. I mean, bago nila ipasa yun sa agents or sa actors nila, which is I'm very thankful for. And then moving forward, afternoon session, wow, live feedback from our outputs. Last week kasi may mga outputs kami and then pinapasa. Or hindi last week, yung mga outputs na gusto naming ipasa, nagkaroon sila ng link. So, 10 lang yung tinanggap and fortunately kasama ako dun sa 10 na nakapagpasa agad para magkaroon ng live feedback. Kasi gusto kong makita kung saan pa ako pwede mag-improve, ano ba yung, kung nasa tamang niche ba ako, kung okay ba yung boses ko, characters. Kasi yung pinasa ko is yung 5 characters. Nasa YouTube yon, YouTube short. Panoorin nyo. Ewan kung lalabas siya dito. Anyways, yun yung pinasa ko. And, ang nakakatawa, ako yung unang-una. Ang galing. Hindi ko in-expect. Excuse me. Hindi ko in-expect na ako yung unang-una, no? Pero, ayun na nga, dahil ako yung nauna. Nag-feedback naman, pinanood. Tapos, good feedbacks naman. Syempre, there's always room for improvement. Script writing, script reading. Pero, on the dubbing and voice side naman daw, confident naman daw akong gumawa ng boses na madami. And, na-distinguish naman daw nila yung 5 characters, which is, yes. I'm very happy na achieve ko yung 5 characters. Kasi meron doon 2 bata or isang sobrang bata and then isang medyo bata and then isang babae. So, I'm happy na na-distinguish naman yun. So, yun! That's our week 4. Yeah, malapit na yung voice teacher namin. I'm excited. Hey, this week's gonna be another busy week, pero see you on the next one. I don't know if this will be the last from CVAP workshop, pero see you on the next one.